So you might be trying to figure out how you can back up and restore your chats on WhatsApp. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're first going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into the WhatsApp application. Now, when you open up WhatsApp, the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings portion. So right inside of WhatsApp, you have this little settings button right here. You want to go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll then kind of come into this particular page. What we're then going to want to do is we want to tap on the chats button, which is right over here. Tap on chats, and then this next page is going to come up. What we're going to want to do is we want to go ahead and find this little option right here that says chat backup. So all we're going to want to do is tap onto either chat backup or export chats. Now on chat backup, what's going to happen and what you're going to see is you're going to see a lot of different things. But all you have to do here is under this backup now button, all you have to do is click on backup now, and that's going to allow you to back up your particular, information, your chats right inside of WhatsApp. So this is something that's actually super easy to do. It's super basic. And that is another example of something that you can actually do here. So tap on the backup now button. That's going to allow you to back it up. And that is essentially all you're going to have to do. Then when you sign in with your WhatsApp account again, it's going to restore all your chats automatically from this backup. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.